This is Carla001, and who do we have here?
We have Ruth at Ruthie23.
Ruth, do you have any YouTube videos yet?
No, this is the first one for my first swap.
Oh, is this your first swap? Yay! Okay, Ruth, so share with us what you did for your Tim Holtz dress form swap.
Okay, we were asked to decorate the Tim Holtz dress form, and I thought about doing a Wilma. I don't remember why. I was just surfing the internet and thought it would be really adorable. And then I had to make Fred to go with it. So see Melanie's video on how to make the dresses, but basically you're going to fold all the raw edges in and glue them down, cut a little neck, cut across for the one shoulder, and then you're going to cut the triangles out of the bottom to make the little jagged edge. But Melanie goes step by step, so see her video. Then I cinched in Wilma's dress with just a little piece of pretty thread. And then to make Fred, I used felt, so I just had to glue the felt together. I didn't have to fold in the raw edges or anything. Cut some miscellaneous triangular shapes out of black felt, glued them down with my Holmars 450, which I love because the bottle never gets stuck. And then I used the double fold bias tape with help from Melanie to make a slip knot which slipped over the top of the dress form. And then I used 2 small glue dots, the flat ones, make sure that they're the flat ones, to keep it in place. And by doing that, you also have the back look more finished. Wilma's isn't perfect, but it does look more finished. And I don't know if you can see it, but on Wilma's I did spray. And the spray that I used was the Tattered Angels Apricot. And what I did was I sprayed this on a craft mat, and I actually swirled the dress form in the puddle of paint. So they did have to dry overnight before I could use them. We also discovered that you could use the coral reef and you wouldn't need as much. And if it's too dark, just go over it with the marshmallow. But I really liked using the chalkboard. And so
that gives it that skin tone.
It gave it the skin tone. And also just kind of like a hint of the orange that Wilma's hair would have. And then it's the stick pearls for her necklace. And that was pretty much it. And I happened to have a Fred Flintstone stamp. So I went ahead and
that was
stamped
so cute.
And this is just a 5x5 square that was folded in half to make the header. And that was it.
Okay. Thank you, Ruth.